asking, do you think the AI is going to reduce developers and testers count at projects?
So I don't think so. As a case in point, I did a survey on LinkedIn, got 300 votes. That it was saying, okay, data engineers, these are in part developers, is the demand for data engineers going to go up or down in 2024? Because Gen AI, among other things, is creating demand for more data, but it could also automate parts of their job. 90% of respondents voted the demand for data engineers is going up. And so I think that the need for productivity for developers and data engineers is only going up. There's more and more and more you want to do with software, more and more you want to do with data. And in a sense, the robots are arriving just in time to help the humans get the work done.
Yeah, I agree with you. And I think the testers as well, right? You were just saying that we have to transform all that unstructured data into vectors, and someone has to test if this thing is right. We can't just assume, although we'd love to assume everything is right.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right.
And so Gen AI can help with the testing, but you still need the expert human inspecting what they're doing and making sure they're getting it right.
I know Gen AI can do it all.